guys, join us back with the Mini. Today we're going to do spark plugs. This is for the JCW, so every time you kind of do a service, it's meant to change the spark plugs on the JCW. So it's part number 12120035 The irony that these are made in Japan. So it's very simple. Can't exactly get it wrong. So you pull that up, pull that out, connector, and then you just sort of wiggling, giving it a wiggle, keep giving it a pull. There we go. And as you can see down there, that's the spark plug. So what we've got here is 40mm ratchet with a long bolt extended. Just going to head down in there, sort of torque that out, and then we'll get going. Yeah, so guys, it's a bit annoying. Couldn't really get to the spark plug, so I have to use this magnetic, well, I guess magnetic stick to go down, grab the spark plug. I've now got it. So this will just sort of stick onto it. There you go. Makes life a lot easier taking it out. So definitely worth having this tool, just try and get yourself going. So now, obviously this is the current spark plug, so it's due. It's a bit black and sort of grey. It's a bit dirty, so we'll tap that away, replace that, torque that in, and then we'll get going. So spark plug, hand tighten it first, so make sure it says in. Again, not a rush job, just take your time. So nice and slow. Again, just hand tighten it first. Put that out of the way. Again, nice and slow, hand tightening. Right, got a bit of resistance now. To put the ratchet on. Yeah. Again, nothing too tight, all done there. So reassemble, so put that down into there, wiggle it down, there you go, nice simple backing. That's one done. Now the rest of the three to go. So that's one done. Just going to leave them there on the side so that way I know they're done. Again, pull the tabs. I'll show you guys again. So it's literally just flick up. That pushes all the way back. Pull that back out. Move it to the side. Give it a wiggle. Okay, wiggle. Have to give it a bit of wiggle. There we go. Right. Turn this ratchet the other way. gonna take this off because it's sort of broken it as well already. So just take your time. Again, not a rush job. Doing spark plugs. It's starting to loosen up a bit. Okay, that's all nice and loose. Use the magnetic grip or grabber, whatever you want to call it. Nice and slow. There we go. So again, don't know whether it's disturbed, whether there's loads of oil on this. But this again, due as well. Load it in, nice. Now to get a hand tightened back up. So clockwise, take your time again. It's not necessary putting any pressure. Tighten this up. There you go. That'll be done. Nice and hand tighted. I don't go overtly tight when doing spark plugs, just till it gets about, you literally feel it like getting it reasonably tight. Just push it down and in. Again, same thing again. Get the old coil pack back in, wiggle it down. That's all done. Clip that back in. So that's that one done. Now to go to the next one. On to the next one. Okay, again, just taking my time. Yeah. Got the spark plug again. Oh man, that's horrific. Fun time for you, engine. I guess my valve stem seals are definitely gone. Nice and slow again. Again, just sort of high and tighten. Nice and slow again. Amy. Okay, put this pop in, straight down, and give it a wiggle down. Alright, top bit is correct. I've never touched them, so cheers for that, Mini. Again, nice slow out. Grab it to your hand. Oh damn. That's another one out. Cylinder 1, fun times. Let's get her out. Last one to do. Get this out of the way. Alright, that's nice and loose. Let's get this next one done. So, again, not ideal. Got a lot of oil leakage. Nice and slow. Nice and slow. Again, nice and slow. Get this time. Yep, my N14 is not looking very good, but that's besides the point. Right, there we go. Hand tying that as well. So push that in. That's it in, plug that in. There we go. All done. Now to start the bad boy up and check I've done a good job. Guys, there we go. We're all good. Car's fired up perfectly. And so happy chappy on that side of things. I am due a service in about 370 miles, so I've done the spark plugs. I'm going to do the oil and oil filter because I haven't driven it for a long period of time, as I went to Mini Takes Estates, and when it got repaired as well, front end spray job. So I'll just do the oil because it's been over a year. So the oil and filter just for maintenance basically thing. I'll probably do the air cabin filter as well, just to get that, make the air conditioning work as good as it should do. But that wraps up the video, guys. Simple job, just take your time, there's no rush, and it'll be done fine. And like I said, it's not complex. You just need a 14mm socket with the extension and a magnetic thing to grab the spark plug, because it's so far down it's hard to reach them. Otherwise there's another trick that you can put sellotape onto like a stick or within this deep socket, and then that'll grab onto the socket and bring it up. But again, just a relatively simple job. Just take your time with it, because you don't want to ruin the threads inside the cylinder head. So take your time, there's no rush. Hand tighten stuff up and you'll be fine. But yeah guys, that wraps up this video. So as always guys, it's a mini adventure. Peace.